EducateTube.com. My name is Sipsky, your host. Today I'll be showing you how to build your own portable aircon. So you notice here, this is a lithium battery pack system. It's hooked up to my USB fan and my ultrasonic mist bottle cap humidifier. It's really cool. That's all you need, and then of course a bottle of water. Now because this runs only a few watts, for example this ultrasonic USB humidifier only uses 2 watts per hour. This probably around, I'm not sure exactly, with the USB fan is probably between 3 to 5 watts. So you're talking about a 5 to 8 watt system, which, if you can see the mist coming out here, it's blowing into the fan, and about here, if I measure the temperature, it's around 21 or 20 point something degrees Celsius, or close to between 68 Fahrenheit to 74 Fahrenheit. So not bad at all. Now the cool thing about this is that the water doesn't have to be ice cold or hot. It doesn't matter what water you put in here. At the end, when the mist comes out, it's still going to be between 68 to 74 Fahrenheit, which is awesome. Now if you put your face close to the fan, you'll feel it really cold. Well, I mean relatively. Around here, see where the mist is condensing right here? It's probably, you feel it's around 65 Fahrenheit or 20 21 Celsius. Pretty cool. I can put my face right in here. Let's just simulate my hand. My face is my hand, and my hand is my face, and it feels cool. Yeah, imagine having this outdoor in a hot summer day at around 6 to 7 or 8 watt per hour power. You're not using a lot of energy to power your small portable aircon. Cool, eh? Let's get started. I'll show you how to do it and what material you need. Okay, so to build an aircon, portable aircon, you need of course the lithium battery pack system. I would say aim for at least 5,000 milliamp hour. I probably would go for 10,000 at least milliamp hour lithium battery system. And of course you need this. This is the bottle cap humidifier. It's USB powered, using ultrasonic technology. It's very cool actually. It has you just dip this in a water bottle, and in this case, notice I put in a big bottle of water here, plastic container, and it's claimed that it uses only 2 watt of power. You can see here, I don't know if you can see that, and spill out about 40 milliliter of water per hour. Not bad. Okay, and the third thing that you need is, of course, is the USB fan. Okay, and then I'll show you the apparatus, and of course you need the water bottle here. Okay, and I have actually a paper clip here, a big one, a huge one, to hold the USB fan together here. You can see that. There we go. See, to hold it onto this plastic bottle. Okay, now I use a pretty big plastic bottle. This is actually a coffee container that was used up. The coffee is gone, and I use it as a container. But yeah, recyclable, right? There is the USB humidifier. I just dipped it in there. Don't submerge it in there because it's not waterproof. Just enough that the filtering tube is able to grasp water. And there's the USB there. Okay, so you put that in there, and then you hook up the USB fan on top of the bottle. Now you can set up any way you want. I just happen to optimize it because, see, when the mist comes out, right, usually comes in a straight line. When the fan is turned on, it curves 90 degrees into the fan, and then you get the mist coming out of the fan, and that's where you get the cooling effect. Okay, and it's pretty cool. Let's turn it on again. Hold on. Okay, so let's see it. See when the fans turn on, and see this. the mist, yeah, you can see, let's put it near the light, there we go. As you can see, the mist blows up and it curves into the USB fan, and at the end of, or the front of the USB fan, and you can see it there, right about here as it goes in, there, that right there. You can see the mist coming out, okay? And that's where the region of very cool air with the mist, water mist, is located. That's where you get the coolest effect. So what you want to do is you put your face near there, you get the cooling effect. And this is the most efficient for cooling your body or yourself because it doesn't use that much power. It uses the power of water vapor, really, through ultrasonic system. The ultrasonic actually doesn't use that much energy, only 2 watt per hour for this small humidifier. And then the fan itself, the USB fan, doesn't use more than 5 watt of power. And together you combine this, you're looking at maybe 7 or 8 watt system per hour. So if you have this big battery pack system like 10,000 milliamp hour, and let's say its efficiency is 65%, you can still have, I say, about 2-3 hours worth of this kind of power, right? Because if you think about it, 10,000 milliamp hour times 3.7 watt will give you about 37 watt. Now 65% of that, you're looking at maybe around 20-25 watt. And then since it's only using, 7 to 8 watt, you're looking at, yeah, close to 3 hours, 2.5 to 3 hours of this mist. Portable aircon system. Alright, which is not bad. You think about, for 24 watt of power system, you have 3 hours of this cooling effect, aircon. When you think about aircon, how much energy it uses, right? Of course, it's much colder, but here, it's good enough because the temperature that it regulates, it's around 68 to 74 degrees Fahrenheit, or 21 to 24 Fahrenheit. Celsius, sorry. Okay, thanks for watching EducateTube.com.